Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Google app is present and updated. That app provides the search bar widget. Once done, go to the Realme home screen and find a blank area. This saves time and avoids moving icons later. Now long press an empty spot to open the home screen options and tap widgets. This moves you immediately into the list where the Google search widget lives, so you can add it without changing launchers or extra apps. Scroll through widgets until you find the Google section. Look for the horizontal search bar. Tap and hold the search bar and drag it onto the home page spot you prepared. Your finger controls placement, so move slowly to align it with other icons. Make sure you drop it exactly where you want because Realme will lock it into the grid. If the widget snaps oddly, lift and reposition once more. That ensures a tidy home screen and immediate search access. Tap the new search bar and run a quick query to confirm it opens the Google app and returns results. This verifies the integration. If the widget isn't available in Widgets, make sure the Google app is updated, then clear the launcher's cache or data in Settings Apps Realme Launcher. This refresh often restores missing widgets. If that fails, reinstall or update Google. As a final option, install a launcher that supports the Google search widget, but first try updating and clearing cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.